Check 1 2 3 4 5 4 3 2 1. Okay. Good evening and welcome to Maths with Sud. Today this video is specially made for one of my favorite student, and I'm going to solve all the questions that she has sent to me with the explanation. And if you also want to learn mixed fractions, how to add mixed rational numbers, you can refer to this video. You can go ahead with us. So there are some basic word problems and I will tell you the trick how to solve these questions. So let's move on to the first question. The first question says, what mixed number is shown by each shaded part? Now as we can see that this is 1, again this is 1, and this is 3/4. So if I want to say all of them together, I'm going to say it is going to be 2 3/4. Some students can make mistakes. They can count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and they will write 11/12. But students, you must understand that these numbers are divided into 4, not into 12. There are not 12 equal parts. There are 4 equal parts. Okay, there are not 12 equal parts. There are 4 equal parts. And out of those 4 equal parts, this one is fully shaded. So it is 1, 2, and this is 3/4. Moving on to the next question, it will be very easy. It is going to be 1 and this is going to be 1/2. As I ask you the third question, now I hope that you all can tell me that what the third option will be. So the third option will be 1 2 3 and then 1/3. So you will say 3 1/3. What mixed number is shown by each of the shaded part? So this is your answer. I hope you get that. Let me check if my voice is clear. Check. Okay, yes. Now moving on to the next question. Answers the questions about the bar graph. Give your answers as simple fractions. Now how to do these kind of questions? So first of all, okay, let us do one by one. How many cookies are there altogether? So if we look at the chocolate chips, they are 25. This is 25. Oatmeal are 15. And then peanut butter is 10. I think there is some mistake I have done. This was not 25. This was actually 20. I'm sorry, I made a mistake while putting the graph. But I can recorrect it. So this is going to be 20 and this is 15 and 10. So if somebody asks you how many cookies are all together, you will say 20, 15 and 10. So that is 45. This is 45. What fraction of the cookies are chocolate chip? Okay, let me wait. I have to see the question again. Yes, it was 20 only. Really sorry. Okay, good. So we are going good. What fraction of the cookies are chocolate chip? So chocolate chip, if I ask what is the fraction, so you will say 20 by 45. You will say 20 by 45. But you know what? Both the numbers can be divided by the same number. And we know that 20 can be divided by 5. 45 can also be divided by 5. So if I divide both the number by 5, I will get 4 by 9. So both of the options is correct. Either you can write 20 by 45 or you can write 4 by 9, which is the real answer. 4 by 9. I hope you get that. Okay. Moving on to the next question. What fractions of the cookies are oatmeal? So if you look at it carefully, oatmeal are 15, total is 45. Both can be divided by 15. Both can be divided by 15 and you will get 1 by 3 as the answer. So either you can write 15 by 45 or you can write 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is the simplest form of the fraction. Similarly, 4 by 9 is the simplest form of the fraction. What fractions of the cookies are peanut butter? So peanut butter, you can say peanut butter are 10 by 45. Both of them can be divided by 5. So you will get also 2 by 9. You can also write 2 by 9, 4 by 9, 1 by 3. Alright. Melanie baked 25 cookies. Did she bake more or less than half of the cookies? Mayuresh, thank you. Thank you. Give me suggestion. Melanie baked 25 cookies. Did she bake more or less than half of the cookies? So she baked less than. So 25, she baked more than. Why? First of all, we will find what is half of total cookies. So the answer is more. The answer is more than half. Then if somebody asks you, how do you know? So first you will find 45 by 2. So what is 45 divided by 2? Half of 45. So it is equal to 20 to 1 by 2, which is less than 25. Since the 25 is greater than half of the 45 total cookies, so we can say that Melanie baked more than half of. So they have asked, the first option is, did she bake more or less? The answer is more. And then how do you know? So 45 by 2 is 22 and a half, which is less than 25. Okay. Moving on to the next question. Stretch your thinking. Colby nailed together 4 wood boards as shown in the figure at the right. All the 4 boards are 5.5 inches wide. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Mayuresh. I will start thinking from the next year. This year I'm quite busy with my all 10th grade students and I don't have that time to make short videos. Stretch your thinking. Colby nailed together 4 wood boards as shown at the right. All 4 boards are 5.5 inches wide. Okay, so this is 5.5 inches, this is 5.5, this is 5.5. So first of all, we've been asked to find the perimeter of the outside rectangle. So first we will write ABCD. Then how to find the perimeter of ABCD? So we will write perimeter ABCD. Perimeter is ABCD. Actually, Mayuresh, this video has to be sent to one of my students. So YouTube is the only medium through which I can send the video. Okay. So she has given me some homework to be solved. I'm doing that. I'm helping her. That's why this video is made not for any student who can watch it, but it's for other students from USA who can be helped out like that. So perimeter ABCD will be what? So it will be, the formula for perimeter is 2 times L plus B. So what is length? Length is 24 3/4 plus what is breadth? So breadth has to be added. This particular part 5.5 from both the part will be added. So it is going to be 8 1/4 plus 5.5 plus 5.5. So when we add them, 24 3/4 plus 8 1/4 is going to be 24 plus 8 is 32 plus 1 33 plus this is going to be 11. So that means 2 into 44, which is equal to 88. So the right answer is 88 inches. 88 inches. Now, if somebody asks you what is the perimeter of the smaller triangle, smaller rectangle, PQRS, let us say PQRS. So how to find the perimeter of the inside rectangle? So again the same procedure we will follow. We will write perimeter is equal to 2 times length plus breadth. First we will write the formula 2 times length plus breadth. So this is the length. This length we can get by subtracting 5.5 and 5.5 from 24 3/4. So that means 24 3/4 minus 5.5 minus 5.5 plus. So this is the length. And then we have the breadth. Breadth is given already as 8 1/4. So it is going to be 2 24 3/4 plus 8 1/4. It is again going to be 24 plus 1 25 plus 8 33. And this time we will subtract 11 from it. So it is going to be 2 into 22, which is equal to 44 inches. So the answer for this is going to be 44 inches. Thank you for the compliment. Alright. So Gurnoor, I hope it is clear to you. I have already taught you on that day. So just a revision for the homework, how to write it. Coming to the next question, add or subtract. So how to add them? So I taught you on that day 3 minus 1 2/5. First you have to think you are sitting on 2/5, 1 2/5. So what is the nearest number where you can reach? It is 2. How much more jump you will take? 3/5. So the answer is going to be 1 3/5. Okay. Coming to the second part. So we are adding them. So we will write 2 plus 2 is how much? So 2 7/10 plus 2 4/5. It can be looked as 4 plus 7/10 plus 8/10. So it can be looked as 4 plus 15/10. Now this 15/10 can be written as 1 5/10, and 1 5/10 means it is 1/2, so that means 4 plus 1 1/2. So the right answer is going to be 5 1/2. For this, the answer is 5 1 by 2. Second case. Coming to the third part. So we have 7 5 by 9 minus 3 2 by 15. So 7 minus 3 is 4 plus, then we have 5 by 9 minus 2 by 15. Then we have 4 plus, the LCM is going to be 15 into 2 is 30, 15 into 3 45. So 9 will go 5 times in 45. If you want to divide 45 by 9, you will go 5 times, and 5 into 5 is 25. Minus 15 will go 3 times, 3 into 2 is 6. So the answer is going to be 4 plus 19 by 45. So it is going to be 419 by 45. This is how we can do it. If you want to just put the answer, you can put on this. If you want to see the steps, you can follow the steps. Okay. Next question. So it is 4 5 by 6 plus 6 by 7. So it is going to be 4 plus 5 by 6 plus 6 by 7. So the LCM is going to be 42. 6 will go how many times in 42? 7 times. So 6 is multiplied by 7, so 7 will also be multiplied, 5 will also be multiplied by 7, so you will get 35. Now 7 is multiplied by 6 into 6 is 36. So you will get 4 plus 71 by 42, which you can put it like 4 plus 42 into 1 is 42, and then 39. 39, 42, 30, 29. It is going to be 29 by 42, which is a prime number. So you will write 529 by 42. Okay. Now you have 5 1 by 8 minus 4 1 by 5. So 5 minus 4 is how much? 1 plus 1 by 8 minus 1 by 5. So 1 plus, if you take the LCM, is going to be 40. So 5 minus 8, that is 1 minus 3 by 40. So the answer is going to be 37 by 40. Moving to the next question. Question number 6. It is 479 by 100 plus 59 by 10. So 4 plus 5 is how much? 9 plus 79 by 100, and this can be also written as 90 by 100. So together if I add them, it is going to be 79. So 9 plus 7 is 16, 169 by 100. So it is going to be 9 plus 169 by 100. It is 1069 by 100. This is your final answer. Okay. Final answer I have marked with the 2 lines. I hope it is clear to you. This is 9. Moving on to the next question. So 7th question, we have 13 by 16 plus 2 by 3. So the LCM is going to be 48. 16 times 3, 3 times 13 is 39. 3 is multiplied by 16 to make it 48. So 2 will also be multiplied by 16, so you will get 32. So when you add them, you will get 71 by 48. So you can take 1 and then how much? 33, 23. 548. This is your answer. Coming to the question number 8. So it is 8 1 by 4 minus 3 9 by 20. So 8 minus 3 is 5 1 by 4. Sorry, it is going to be 5 plus 1 by 4 minus 9 by 20. So 5 plus LCM is going to be 20. 4 into 1 into 5, 5 minus 9. So 5 plus 5 minus 9 is 4. So 5 minus 4 by 20 you can write like this. Minus 4 by 20 can further be written as minus 1 by 5. So from minus 1 by 5 you have to reach 4 by 5 to reach 1 and 4 more. So the answer is going to be 4 by 5. Moving on to the next question, question number 9. So we have 7 8 by 9 plus 9 7 by 8. So 9 plus 7 is 16 plus 8 by 9 plus 7 by 8. So we will have 16 plus the LCM is going to be 72. 9 into 8 into 8 is 64. 8 into 9 into 7 is 63. So we have 16 plus 4 plus 3 7, 6 plus 6 12 by 72. So we can further write it as 16 plus 172 into 1 is 72 and 28 and 27. So 55 by 72. So the final answer is going to be 1755 by 72. This is your answer. Gurnoor, please focus. This is your answer. Okay. Moving on to the next question. Okay. So the Taylors have 4 dogs. Molly eats 4.5 cups of the food each day. Roscoe eats 2 by 3 cups. Milo eats this much cups. If he eats this much cups, how much do the Taylors dogs eat each day altogether? So if they are asking how much they all eat altogether, that means you need to add all the numbers. And when you add all the numbers, you will get 4 1 by 2 plus 3 2 by 3 plus 1 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Now what we will do is, first we will add all the whole part. So 4 plus 3 is 7 plus 1 8. So we will write 8. I have added these numbers. Okay. Then I will add the fraction part. So the fraction part is, so 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 is how much? 6 by 4. So 6 by 4 means that is, okay, let me put it this way, 6 by 4. So now the LCM of 3, 4 and 2 is 12. So you can write like this, 8 plus, take the LCM as 12. 2 will go how many times? 6 times. So 6 will also be multiplied by the numerator 1. 3 will go 4 times. 4 into 2 is 8. And 4 will go 3 times. So 3 into 6 is 18. So 18 plus 6 is 24. 24 plus 8 is 32. So you have 8 plus 32 by 12. So this is going to be 3, 8. So that means you will get 8 plus 8 by 3. So 8 by 3 can be written as 2, 2 by 3. So the final answer is going to be 10, 2 by 3 cups. This is your answer. So if you want to write direct answer, Gurnoor, you can just write this. If you want to know the steps, you can follow this, but don't get panic if you are not understanding. So in the next class, whenever there will be, I will explain you each and every part. Okay, just for the homework I am doing this. Refer to the problem 10. How much more food does Molly eat each day than Roscoe. That means you have to subtract Roscoe food from Molly. So Molly ate how much? She ate 4.5 minus Roscoe is 3 by 3. So 4 minus 3 is how much? 4 minus 3 is 1 plus and 1 by 2 minus 2 by 3. So the LCM is going to be 6. So 3 minus 3 into 2, 2 into 2, 4. So 1 minus 1 by 6, that means 5 by 6 cups more. Okay, 5 by 6. The vet told the tailors from the problem team to decrease the amount Molly by 3 by 4 cups. So how much Molly is eating? Molly is eating 4.5. So now Molly will eat how much? So Molly was eating 3.5, 4.5. So 4.5 minus how much he have to reduce? 3 by 4. That means 4 plus half minus 3 by 4. So that means it is going to be 4 plus. So LCM is 4, 2 into 2 minus 3. So you will have 4 minus 1 by 4, which is equal to 3 by 4 cups. So this is the answer for the first one. The vet told the tailors to decrease the amount of Molly eats by 3 by 4 cups. After Molly foods is adjusted, will she eat more or less than Roscoe eat each day? So how much Roscoe eat? Roscoe eats 3 2 by 3 cups. So what we have to do? So she eats more. So 3 by 4 minus 3 2 by 3 for the Roscoe. So 3 minus 3 is 0, and then we have 3 by 4 minus 2 by 3. So the LCM is going to be 12. 4 into 3, 3 into 3 is 9, minus 3 into 4 into 2 is 8. So the answer is 1 by 12 cups more. Who eats more? Molly eats 1 by 12 cups more than Roscoe. We can write like this. Molly eat 1 by 12 cups more than Roscoe each day. All right. So you have sent me 2 more questions. That belongs to science, I think. Yes. So it is about photosynthesis, a process in which the green plants make their own food. A process in which the green plants make their own food. So they are the one who make their own food. Rest nobody makes their own food. So you think that your mama making their own food? No, it is the food, the raw materials from the plants or either animals. Either we are drinking milk, taking something. In the photosynthesis, plants use energy from the sunlight. Find the names of the 2 other substances that plants use in the photosynthesis. So 2 more substances. So I will tell you from the book. So one part is chlorophyll. Okay, chlorophyll is a substance that makes leaves look green. Chlorophyll lets plants make their own food. Chloroplasts store chlorophyll. Chloroplasts are found in the plant cell. Photosynthesis is a process that plants use energy. Plants use carbon dioxide and water. So you can see this line: carbon dioxide and water. Plants use energy, carbon dioxide and water. So they have asked what question? They have asked, in the photosynthesis, plants use energy from the sunlight. Find the names of the other 2 substances. The other 2 substances are 2 substances. So I will write one by one. So one is water, the other is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide that plants use in. So plants use apart from sunlight, water and carbon dioxide. Circle the names in the lesson 3 summary. Okay, where is lesson 3 summary? You can see here, you can circle this here, carbon dioxide and water. Now then find the names of the two substances that plants make in the photosynthesis. Underline these names in the lesson 3 summary. So what are the two substances that plants make? Okay, so plants sometimes make more sugar than they need, so they use the extra sugar to make these kinds of sugars and starches. Plants store these sugars. So what are the things that plant makes? So plants makes sugar, energy. They also make energy stored in the form of a sugar. Okay, energy is stored in the form of a sugar. Leaf structure. Some leaves have a waxy layer on the outside. This layer stops the leaves from losing too much water. Photosynthesis. So what are the process? So one thing that is formed is the oxygen. Photosynthesis makes two things. Those are oxygen and sugar. So if somebody asks you what are the two things, first thing is you can say oxygen. Okay, instead of water now you can write sugar, and instead of second part carbon dioxide you can write oxygen. What is the structure of plant in plant cells that stores chlorophyll? So it is chloroplast. The answer is chloroplast. Chloroplast is the part of the leaf which stores chlorophyll in that. You can see that it is written here. Chloroplast stores chlorophyll. Third question. This is second question. This is first question. Okay. What two processes form the carbon dioxide oxygen cycle? So two processes. So the two processes are photosynthesis and cellular respiration. First process is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis, photo means what? Photo means light. In the help of the light, the plant is making the food, taking the carbon dioxide and releasing the oxygen. And then we have cellular respiration. We have cellular, the cell is respiring. So cellular respiration, that we breathe. So when we breathe in, we take the oxygen and release the carbon dioxide. It is just the opposite. In photosynthesis, carbon dioxide is intake, oxygen is outside. Here we have, so it forms the carbon dioxide oxygen cycle. What two processes? These are the two processes, respiration and photosynthesis. From where you will get? You will get it from here, photosynthesis and cellular respiration. Answer number 4. I hope your homework has been done. Okay, so let me see if any extra sheets are here now. Okay. Okay, so I'm sending you this. I hope you will find it useful, my dear. If you've got any doubt, you can just ask me in the class, or you can WhatsApp me. So with this, I'm going to end this class. Thanks for being here, whomsoever was there, if at all, and nobody's there. Goodbye, take care. Okay, Mayuresh, I will just look for your suggestions. Sir, you have a good setup and you are wasting your time in live stream. You should make short video and you should focus on 9th and 10th class. That will be done on a different channel, my dear.